Alright you guys, so here's the first video of my bike conversion to a gasoline bike engine. As you can see, I got a lot of the majority of the work done. Got the tank mounted. Sorry, my lens cap's all over the place. My cute tiny little engine. The drivetrain ran into a bit of a snag with the drivetrain chain. I need to take a few links out so I can get the tensioner on, but I got everything else mounted. My coil I still gotta fully mount on and whatnot. The tank's not fully mounted, I just have it set on there. The throttle's on, the clutch cable and whatnot, but that's probably going to be another project for Saturday or sometime maybe this weekend. I'll definitely keep you posted. I know I was going to try and record or vlog this whole experience for you guys and post it, but yeah, I got overexcited and whatnot, but I'll definitely end up giving you guys another video when it's complete, and I'll probably end up mounting the action camera, which goes on the handlebars. I do have a mount for that one, and once I get that done, I'll definitely get it all put back together and everything's in proper working order. I'm going to mount the camera and take you guys for a bit of a ride, but until next time, drink up me hearties, yo ho.